Most people get this wrong. They think all pet health apps are the same, but Pop offers unique features that make it a valuable tool for pet owners. Here's my honest review after using it. Pop provides 24/7 access to licensed veterinarians via chat or video, which is great for quick advice on minor issues or questions. One surprising feature is that they offer an emergency fund up to $3,000 for vet bills, giving peace of mind in case of unexpected illnesses or accidents. The app is intuitive and easy to use. You can store medical records, track medications, set reminders, and connect with vets all in one place. In my experience, the consultation process was fast. Responses came within minutes, and vets were knowledgeable and helpful. Pricing is subscription-based, around $24 per month, which covers unlimited vet access and the emergency fund. While it's not a replacement for traditional pet insurance, it's a great supplement for proactive pet care and emergency support. Some drawbacks: Pop doesn't cover preventive costs like vaccines or routine checkups outside the emergency fund, so you'll still need regular vet visits. Also, it's currently only available in the U.S., which limits accessibility for international users. In conclusion, Pop is a valuable app for pet owners who want quick vet access and an emergency safety net. It's easy to use, responsive, and gives peace of mind when caring for your pets. Subscribe for more honest reviews of pet health tools and apps.